Lady King College Shillong is pleased to inform you that it's now offering admission to male and female students. Yes, you heard it right. Only at the Department of Tourism and Travel Management. For a promising career, join 4 years professional program that is Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management at Lady King College Shillong. For more information, call to the given number on the screen or visit the website www.ladykingcollege.edu.in.
Ikim kumtino high school isukhiya bahalor kane ka issue ka reservation policy namating tengye ki khna ni high school bakin pule bha kin khet bha kin pass bha bakin yo kam hadin rei kane ka policy ka khanglat ya kata tengi high school ngimla ban ong ye ki ba puli kot haru ban yo kam rei ni kalong ka e ha ba yang ni bangin high kumtai ki khna namar kani ka reservation policy kalong khanglat nang tangi ki khasi mugaru bakhndiat pat re yo 60% rengi ki khasi ki bagi bun pat khasi jantia rengi yo lang kaju mar kaju 60% dah ai kalawai jong ki khna ki jongi namar kani ka reservation policy kan kta deki san posnem ti ki khna ki benang red menta kan kta ya ki ru hadin onda ki lapas ba ni te ngi lakut mo ka jingwat kam ka jungi hendrai ni wan hang ne ban yeng namta kini ki khna school jungi ki phun ki jungi ki para ki jungi ki banang hap manawat kam tinga kan tui ka sarkar bakan pej khmat lem bakan nom e rang than ru kan ne kan pej lem yangi ki khasi ngi don kam ban review yang ya kan ka reservation policy ban penkelapat ya ka ban penbej ya ka hak kom badai kenam bakan ya balance bat ni bat ki garu ki jungi Oi.
Labang siya.